Introducing the ultimate destination for NEET and JEE students. Are you a class 12 pass out student looking to excel in NEET and JEE exams? Well, look no further. Our 1 year classroom program is designed to turn your dreams into a reality. We're proud to boast about our excellent results because your success is our priority. No need to worry about accommodation. Our attached hostel ensures a safe and comfortable stay. Need a quiet place to study? Our separate study space for hostel students provides the perfect environment for focused learning. Step into a future with our digital classroom where learning is interactive and engaging. Our experienced faculty members with years of expertise are here to mentor you every step of the way. Regular mock tests prepare you for the real deal, ensuring you are confident and ready on exam day. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and avail our early bird scholarship of 50% off on your fees.